Hey y'all, so my name is Belsa J. Rios and I'm one of the great teacher success champions here at Kami. So today we're going to be covering Kami 101, all the tools, tips, and tricks that you need to start your year off with a bang. If you're already part of the Cool Kids Club, then you already know how to get there. Use your extension kami.app or kami.app. Dive in, have fun. Now if you're new to Kami but you want to be part of the Cool Kids Club, then stay tuned. Once you log in, what you're going to see is our great dashboard. Now this is the homepage. This is where you can pull assignments from Google Drive, your computer, or OneDrive. But this is also where we have our fabulous and completely free, by the way, Kami library. Today, I'm going to use one of our amazing templates to show you just some of the great tools that Kami has to offer. Now these great tools can be used to reach any learner, whether they're GT, bilingual, 504, or everything and anything in between. So let's dive in. Let's grab our template, go to Kami, and start exploring all the great tools that are there for you. Now that we're inside of Kami, I'm going to show you just some, but not all, of the great tools Kami has to offer. Our first tool is the dictionary. Now, if you're wondering what's so special about it, let me show you. First thing is, go ahead and click on dictionary. Find a word that you or maybe your students would have trouble with. Click on that word and what you're going to see is a pop-up menu. This will show you the word, the part of the speech, and the definition. Now, the amazing part is no extensions and no having to open up other web pages. Again, what makes Kami such a great tool is it's all there for you. No opening tabs, no adding extensions. An all-in-one tool for you and your students. One of Kami's amazing accessibility tools is the Read Out Loud. What the Read Out Loud does is it will read for students any text which they highlight or anything that you as a teacher types in. So let's try it out.
Conclusion.
Now, options that you have here is skip to the next sentence if this were a paragraph, loop if you want them to listen to it again, play, pause, stop. Now the important ones are changing the voice and speed because this allows for the student to choose how they want to be read to. Moving on to our next great tool, we have the comment section. Now, if you guys click on that comment section, what you're gonna see is the 4 different types of comments that we have. This is our text comment, voice, video, and my favorite, screen capture. Now, these are great for either feedback, reteaching, accommodations, or clarification. My favorite comment tool is our screen capture tool. The reason that I absolutely love our screen capture tool is because you do not have to add any extension and the students will be able to see the recording inside of Kami. Let's check this out. Select the screen capture option. Once you do that, you're going to click inside your template or assignment, select which of your screens you want to share, and you begin recording. Now, depending on how you feel that day, whether you're having a good hair day or not, you can enable or disable your camera. And then once you're finished recording, the best part, again, you don't have to add an extension, don't open up a web page, you don't have to change permissions because your recording will stay inside of Kami, making it easily accessible to your students or teachers for easy viewing. The last tool that we're going to go over for today is our Add Media. So go ahead and scroll all the way down, go ahead and click on Add Media, and what you're going to see is a pop-out menu. This is where you're going to select where you would like to get your media from. Do you want to get it from your computer, Google Drive, Google Search, or do you want to use one of our great graphic organizers? Amazing. Or my fave, the stickers. Now, you just pop one in and tell me, who doesn't love stickers? I don't care if you're 4, 14, 24, 34, or 54. Everybody loves a great sticker. So these are just some, but not all the great tools that Kami has to offer. Now it's your turn. Go, take that deep dive into Kami and explore all the great tools that are there for you and your students. Hey, that's all the time we have. It's been great. Bye, y'all.